Finding the right diagnostic device for your car can save you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary dealership repairs. To help you choose the best OBD2 scanner, we reviewed 5 top-rated units based on features, performance, and overall value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool. The Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool is a robust diagnostic device designed for vehicle owners and mechanics seeking dealership-grade capabilities. Featuring advanced bidirectional controls, it allows users to command essential vehicle components, such as toggling fuel pumps or retracting electronic parking brakes to quickly isolate issues. The device reads and displays live data streams across critical systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS airbags. It also supports special reset functions that enable professional-level relearn procedures after component replacements. Designed for broad coverage, this scanner supports most 1996 through 2023 OBD2 compliant vehicles, with expansion planned for newer model years, though functions vary by specific vehicle make and model. The handheld unit features a multilingual interface supporting English, Spanish, and French, ensuring ease of use for a wider audience. Number 2. Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK900BT. The Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT offers a comprehensive automotive diagnostic solution built around an 8-inch touchscreen running on modern hardware. Engineered for extensive testing capabilities, this unit supports over 3,000 active tests to send commands directly to control units for components like injectors, coolant pumps, sunroofs, and climate control units. It offers over 40 maintenance services across 150 vehicle brands from 1996 through recent model years, including oil resets, ABS bleeding, battery registration, injector coating, and advanced sensor calibrations. Diagnostics are streamlined via AutoScan 2.0 technology, which allows users to quickly scan license plates or vehicle identification numbers automatically without manual data entry. Full system coverage permits reading and clearing trouble codes alongside 5-in-1 live data graphing, recording, and playback options. Number 3. TOPDON OBD2 Scanner RD-Diag 900. The TOPDON RD-Diag 900 Lite is a feature-rich tablet-based scan tool designed for smooth operation during heavy workshop use. Running on Android 11 with an upgraded multi-core processor and a high-capacity 10,000 mAh battery, it provides up to 12 hours of continuous runtime on an 8-inch touchscreen display. Equipped with a Bluetooth 5.0 connection module that operates reliably up to 33 feet away, technicians can run tests wirelessly or switch to an included cable for wired connectivity. The device features bidirectional control capabilities to test individual actuators, along with full system OE-level diagnostic scanning across modules like the engine, transmission, airbags, body controls, and tire pressure monitoring systems. It also features an integrated DTC repair guide that provides diagnostic fault definitions and troubleshooting steps to assist users through complex repair workflows. Number 4. ANCEL DS500BT Bidirectional Scan Tool. The ANCEL DS500BT is a versatile wireless diagnostic scanner built to streamline vehicle maintenance and component troubleshooting. Utilizing a fast Bluetooth 5.0 VCI interface, the unit allows users to perform scans, view real-time data, and run tests while moving freely around the vehicle. It includes support for over 3,000 active tests, enabling technicians to actuate fuel pumps, cooling fans, mirrors, windows, and AC clutches to verify component operation before replacing parts. System coverage extends to engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, body control, and suspension modules, with built-in CAN-FD protocol compatibility opening up access to newer vehicle models.
Over 28 maintenance and reset services are accessible through dedicated one-touch shortcuts, speeding up common tasks like throttle relearns, injector coating, oil resets, and battery management registration.
Number 5. FOXWELL NT510 Elite GM OBD2 Scanner. The FOXWELL NT510 Elite GM is a specialized OE-level diagnostic tool tailored specifically for General Motors vehicles, including Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, and GMC models from 1996 through recent years. It scans all available onboard modules, including the engine, chassis, body, transmission, ABS, airbags, 4WD, and HVAC, to read and clear fault codes, analyze live text or graphic data, and capture freeze-frame snapshots. Featuring full bidirectional control, users can test individual components like power windows, sunroofs, wipers, and fuel pumps to pinpoint mechanical or electrical failures quickly. A key highlight is its built-in crankshaft sensor relearn procedure, which helps re-establish precise timing alignments following engine overhauls or sensor replacements without requiring expensive dealer visits. The tool includes all 10 standard OBD2 test modes, featuring real-time battery voltage monitoring and one-touch IM readiness checks for smog inspections.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.